Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another video. Now, this is a requested video by one of you who wanted to know my outlook, my opinion on using the 3 Ballerina tea for weight loss and what I think about it. I have used the 3 Ballerina tea as well as the Trimax. Now, I don't know if some of you are familiar with either one of these brands, but these are laxative teas that are basically just for excess bloating, water retention, as well as cleaning out your system. Now, if you have any constipated and you need to get rid of, some of that extra that's still in your stomach, still in your colon, these are wonderful ways of getting rid of that extra. The Ballerina tea is an herbal tea to help you move your bowels. It's more of a laxative tea and not a detox tea. Although it will clean your stomach and remove the excess waste in your stomach, it is more of a laxative. It has senna and Chinese marrow in it, which are 2 herbs that help you to go. It also helps to push and flush water out. It is also rich in antioxidants to help reduce or repair cell damage. Now, the main purpose of this tea is to help fight against constipation. And that's due to the senna content in it, which is a natural remedy, an affordable remedy of moving your bowels and getting all that excess stuff out of your colon. With this tea, using it every other day is a wonderful way of moving your bowels, because drinking this tea, it is definitely going to have you pooping a lot. If you drink it every other day, you're going to be increasing your chances of going to the bathroom a lot. And with that, mostly you're going to be moving a lot of water. It's kind of in the form of diarrhea in a sense. You're going to be pooping a lot. You're probably not going to be able to control a lot of your bowel movements, because one thing with the Ballerina tea, it causes cramping, which I don't like. It has like a cramping effect that really have you hunched over. I don't know how it will affect some of you, but in my experience using it, it's wonderful for losing the weight, but not for long term. It's not something that you would want to use for long term, because it does give you cramping and you do have a lot of water flushes. With that, you really got to be careful, because it can dehydrate you, and in result of that, you're losing your electrolyte imbalances, which means you're going to be dehydrated. Now, as far as weight loss, one thing with this tea is you're going to lose weight, but only in the form of fluid. So if you're retaining water in your body, if you need to get rid of whatever, it's going to get rid of what's in your colon, but most of what you're going to be experiencing is more of a diarrhea effect. So it's more of water loss and not fat loss. Would I recommend this tea? Only if it's done in moderation. Every 3 days, 2 days, you can use it along with eating healthy. Because one thing you don't want to do is remove too much of the necessary nutrition out of your body, and that's what this is going to do. It's going to have you going a lot. One of my experiences with it is the cramping. That's one thing I didn't like, and that's the same as the Trimax. When you just start using these teas, it will give you such severe cramping. Even if you were to even eat a high fiber diet or have fiber in your diet, it's going to help to push out whatever you put in. So it's not like your body is really absorbing the nutrients or whatever of this tea, because the tea's main purpose is to flush you. It's not a detox, it's not a weight loss, because the weight that you lose is water, and you're going to regain that right back. I would recommend this tea mostly for those who are constipated, who really are having problems moving their bowels and it becomes an issue. This I can see drinking it, using it for that purpose, as well as if you have excess water retention in your body, and you need to pass that fluid, or just to get that excess bloating feeling out of your body. That's the only reasons why I would suggest using this. Now, one thing you got to remember when you drink this tea is you got to stay close to the bathroom, because this tea is definitely going to kick in at some point depending on your metabolism and how your body functions, it's going to kick in. And when it kicks in, you need to be close to a bathroom, because sometimes you don't have no time to get to that bathroom. So my suggestion is, if you're going to drink a tea like this, possibly on days when you know you're going to be home once a week, to help you along with losing that weight as far as eating healthy, exercising, and you're trying to help to boost your weight loss to another level, well, drinking this once a week, I could say, would be a nice recommendation. One of the things I highly recommend that you not do is use this tea every single day. This is not an everyday tea. This is not an everyday weight loss tea. This is not an everyday form of weight loss. You know, I don't care what you're eating. Do not drink this tea every day. For that young lady who suggested me to do a video on this tea, it is a good tea to use if you have constipation. And I suggest at any point, if you are having any type of issues with moving your bowels, definitely go to your doctor and see what's going on with that. They could possibly refer something either over the counter or prescription for you to use. If you want to try to use an over the counter natural herbal tea, you can use this, but not every day. Definitely not every day. Every couple of days, possibly, maybe once a week, twice a week, but not every day. So that's my opinion on using the 3 Ballerina tea for weight loss. It is not meant to use for weight loss. Although you will lose weight on it, that weight is mostly water weight, and it's going to come back. So just know that it's something that, I guess, if you're trying to fit in that little dress and you're trying to get rid of a little bloating and that excess water, that's fine. Maybe 1 or 2 days, you know, every other day, every 3 days you use it, but not for long term. So you guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me on this video. If you have any other videos that you want me to do, any type of suggestions, anything you want me to do a review on, let me know down below, and I'll get a video out to you as well, okay? So I want to thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thumbs up these videos, y'all. It doesn't cost you nothing to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Do that, please, you know. And also check out down below in the description bar for my eBay, also for videos, in case you're interested in knowing what kind of tea videos that I suggest that you use. I got them listed down below now. And don't forget to check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs. I have videos over there for hair care, skin care, beauty care, alright? So check your girl out again. I'll have another video for weight loss for you coming soon, alright? So I will see you in the next video. Hey family, this is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful announcement. If you haven't heard about it yet and haven't tried it yet, well, I want to bring to you something that is going to help you on your weight loss journey. This is a powerful tonic that's going to help to flatten your stomach. It's going to get rid of that excess waste in your colon, so this way you can get rid of that excess weight. This is something that's going to help to lower your cholesterol levels, your blood sugar levels, as well as your blood pressure. For those of you who haven't been able to get rid of that weight and burn fat because of low metabolism, this is something that's going to boost your metabolism, give you that extra energy that you need to burn that weight. This is also going to cleanse your blood because it's a detox. It's going to get rid of those harmful toxins in your body that's keeping you sluggish from getting rid of that weight. So check out the Flat and Firm Belly Detox. This has been flying off the shelf like crazy. This is my popular detox tonic that's been working for so many. So if you're trying to lose weight, get those inches off, as well as lower your blood pressure, lower your cholesterol, lower your blood sugar, and boost your metabolism, give you extra energy, and suppress your appetite, well, check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox. This is powerful, this is organic, and it's also safe for those of you who are on blood pressure medication as well as being diabetic. So check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox, you guys. You will not be disappointed. It works. This is going to get rid of those extra inches off your waist because you're cleansing your colon and getting those wasteful toxins out of your body. So like I said, check down below in the description bar where you will find the links to my eBay store for this powerful Firm and Flat Belly Detox. So get your health journey back on track. Check out the links down below.